How to fix brightness not changing on Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily fix the problem where your brightness is not changing automatically. So the very first thing you want to do here is go over to the search bar and then search for control panel, hit enter. And once your control panel is open, make sure the view by category is in either large or small icons. I'll just select large icons, and then from here you want to find the power option. From here, you can just click on this drop down to show additional power plans and make sure that this is not selected in any of these hidden additional plans. So all you have to do is just keep it on balance or something that's recommended to you. After doing so, what you can do is click on this, your navigation bar down below. You could find the brightness slider right over here. So you could just use it from here, or if you don't see it here, you might want to go through your settings. Once you open up your settings, go to System, and then go over to Display Settings. From here, you should find your brightness slider, and you can click on the drop down here. You'll find another option here, change brightness based on content. If it's on battery, make sure that you turn it off. So make sure the off is selected. Now just close everything out. Then the next step is you're going to have to go to Device Manager. Hit enter. And from your Device Manager, you need to find your display adapters. So go over to Display Adapters and drop it down. Right click on it and then click on Update Driver. Search automatically for drivers. And if it says the best drivers already installed, you're good to go. Then you need to go over to monitors and then find your integrated monitor, or if you have any external monitor, right click on it and do the same thing here. Search automatically for drivers and close this out. Then you want to go to action and then scan for any hardware changes. Once you've done that, you can restart your PC and your brightness should start working normally. Now the final step is to open up CMD. And then you have to run it as administrator. So just go ahead and search for CMD, right click on it and run it as administrator. Click on yes. And then you have to write in this command sfc /scan now. Hit enter and it will begin system scanning. If there are any problems, it will show you right here. Just wait for this verification and the scanning process to be complete and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.